Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless upon yourself first and foremost. I hold on there with the latest mix up and mix down. So, subscribe if I your first time.
I love him like back in the days when we used to love Oxdale. Used to have two plates. Yeah. My man loves me. Treat me like a queen. Me so thank God that I became a Muslim before I met him. That way him knows that me never run go turn Muslim because I want to deal with him. I love my boyfriend. Yeah man. The dirty Jamaican boy used to treat me like trash. I'm if I tell you, I not even tell you when I got through from Nico bus. That drunker called me and threatened me about 1,000,000 times saying I go sue me. Yeah. Say him help establish my career. I'm like, what the fuck? You establish me? Because everybody knows that when me release Nico, me and him did fight in at the hotel. And him left. And then the next day me release Nico. Last time he tell me say him and him girl are gonna sue me. Can you believe that shit? I don't ever spend $1 out of Nico yet. I'm sorry I did sign it up with TuneCore. I didn't take 90 days. Like 45 days after 90 days to give people their money. Should I just love it? You know, I don't need to go through nobody. I have my company. But the video that I love from my fans, I really love this video. Oh, wait there. I got it last night, and I want to tell my fan thank you, and I really enjoyed it. It's posted on Instagram. I think I did this. Thank you so much. I know where that. I have so much fun that's me confused. My boyfriend sent me this morning. Isn't it nice? So I asked him, what it mean? He said, I wish you peace and happiness and joy. Oh my gosh. To get peace and happiness and joy like this? No, sir. This is living la vida loca. You know, so if I did up on the plane, I did hear the language and get turned on. You could have tell me would have come back, you know, engage to an African. Yeah. Good morning, Olivet. Recently, I realized that there are a lot of people that I should thank for anchoring my career. Yeah. People that I've ignored, but despite never ignore me, I want to realize how it feels. And so I'm taking this morning to say thank you. You know, if I call up my name, one of the times you just live by my name like how I live by Spice name. But then I come to realize that it's admiration, it's love. I love you, Mari. Big up to stinking old Olivet. Oh! I mean, they always say your mouth resembles underneath. I just can't imagine how down there looks. gosh, what is it? I never see where hoes hate hoes. I'm a whole hoe, you're a whole hoe. So what are you hating for? These dirty drunkards. I can understand being a hoe, a classy hoe, an Egyptian hoe. But what I just can't understand is when you look done out, tired, wash out. Look, what's that on washing pan? I said, I'm tired. I'm ready to go. Come like the martyr. I mean, say beat the chocolate in there. Come like the piss pot. I used to under mama bed. Oh gosh. I'm telling you. And I know all cackle for cuss pot. Okay. I'm a hoe. But I bought for my kids. Darling, where are yours? You dirty drunk girl. She live upon my name on YouTube. Like how man live upon there. Oh gosh. Guess we have in Biden City. Last time she was on the street selling pum pum soap. And I told her all the goodies, don't go get it. You don't want your pussy to get rash. I love it, darling. I love you. Sing for that, Mari. Sing for that, Mari. Come. Yeah. It's such a beautiful morning. My S.O.B. I love you. I love it. You know it's true. Oh, S.O.B. by Amari. You know, so I'm going to push my song. Because Junica, I did make it sit down for 2 years and then it bust. I don't ever push SOB. Because I'm not ready for it. I can't handle interviews. Last time I had my daughter and I catch up because they interview them. And I realized that I can't manage it. For change clothes and I can't handle it too much. I'm not trust that girl to be my assistant. Amari. Good morning, Olivet. I love you, darling. Amari. It's just like a little baby, like a child of Africa. And I need to find out where she lives. Because if me live so good in Africa, imagine she live. But then again, myself, then how she get strokes? I don't think Africa should get the stroke. Living in Africa, you're not supposed to have strokes at all. It's just so much peace and tranquility. Unless Bob want her to come home. But our children, them love her. Bob all off the come. You understand? Because I just love Rita. Yeah. I'm feeling pussy old, I'm feeling one draw, one draw. I love her, but I always love Marcia more. Remember, somebody did obsessed with our son. Not anymore. Bye. I free you. Not anymore, man. I'm a good up, man. I am there. Mambo, baby. Mambo. Where we at? That boy be looking so good. And he has a problem marrying to me because, you see, Muhammad actually married to a lady that was like 15 years older than him. Muhammad at the time was like 25 and married to this lady who loved him for being honest and godly. So, in the Muslim tradition, it's normal for older women to date young. Oh, by the way, when you say all of that, why you envying? Why you envying? Make sure you that love you have a good up young man in your bed. All the people that talking against me, don't believe them. They wish they were me. The thing is, they're wondering, how comes she has so many picnics? Yeah? And already live out almost half our life and still get this fresh dude. Because I there, I went out there looking for happiness, and I loved it. He said, sit down in your yard and wait for it. That reminds me of how me sit down every day and wait to be transformed. And I got up this morning and said, it's not going to happen like that.